customer tells us that his phone just fell on the floor, and there has a crack on this corner. Customers are worried that the screen of the mobile phone also has been cracked, and the phone now is pasted on one kind of our UV film. Now let's separate it to see. Before using the UV film, we need to lighten it. After lightening, it will be hard. Now we use a knife to separate it on the phone. This UV film has two layers, so we need to move another side that can separate it. We can see that this UV film is hard. Now we can see the screen haven't any damage, and this UV film can protect our phone very well. So now let's paste another new UV film to protect our phone. This is our new model 057UR UV film. Has anti-reflection, anti-scratch, and hydrogen effect. Okay, cut and finish. First, using the cleaning water to clean our screen. Then paste it on the screen. First, raise the front cover. The films have already pasted on the screen successfully. We can see that the film is still very soft, so now we need to use our 91AB Plus to have a UV lighten. Okay, lighten finished. We can see that the film is become very hard, and we use this wire brush to check its anti-scratch function. All without scratches. It's very hard. This is a good UV film. Do you like it?
Sunshine. Bring great tools for global users.